Today, pretty simple. We're gonna extend our growing space out here in the greenhouse. This space over here needs to be tilled, put manure, put earth, and then we're gonna plant a lot of more vegetables. And also maybe I should explain myself a little bit. The ideal situation would be to have cardboard, manure, and then lots of dirt or earth on top. But we don't have any, and it's very expensive to buy nice dirt because the compost haven't started working yet, so we can't really get any from ourselves either. So the idea now is to till this a little bit, and then manure on top, cover it with the earth, and then So in the beginning now, I'm just gonna loosen up, just a little bit like this. The idea with that is to help loosening it up to get easier access for the plant's roots to go down and get the nice nutrition and water from down deep. Okay, so I think this is good. I'm gonna go and get some earth and fill it on top and see how many bags I need per bed. So yeah, that's the plan now. I really wonder if this is enough. 6 bag, we don't have that much earth left, but I guess we need to buy more then. Ideally I would have double this, but maybe it will do. I will spread it out and we'll see how it looks. Maybe it will work. I get a little bit of hole here and enough to put the plant in, and it's not directly contact with the manure. Maybe on some spots, but now as you see, I took another bag of dirt and put it on top, and I got some cucumber now, so I will try to plant it and see how it goes, how deep the ground is. We'll see, and this will shrink down a lot when I water it, but I think it's easier to plant it when it's dry, so let's do that. This one is actually 2 in this one, and lots of roots, so it really needs to be replanted. There we go. This is a greenhouse cucumber called Lovisa. Okay guys, I started tying it up. I got some help from my girlfriend as well. But it's really hot in here, so we need to wait to do the tying up later tonight when it's cooled down a little bit. The idea is to have this row with the cucumbers that we need to tie up. Also, I did cut down those trees and weeds and so on the other side, so it looks a little bit better. I made another bed over here to show you. I still got stuff to do in the middle, but here I have another one, and it ends here where our wine. So the idea is that will go up here, and yeah, you get the point. Climb all the way over, so it looks nice and beautiful. I still have some earth left, so I will try to make at least one more. So yeah, let's do it. I need to check how hot it is in here first, so you get an idea in what temperature I'm working in. So yeah, can you see? 34 Celsius. So yeah, if you're wondering, I'm a little bit tired. Whew. As you can see, we don't have enough dirt. We need maybe at least 3 more bags of dirt. So I went and bought some more dirt. So yeah, let's fill up over there even more. Pretty much done. I'm gonna cover it with straw as well, all of the beds, but we still have 4 bags left and 1 space here, so let's get it over with. 1 bed is ready, 2 bed is ready, 3 bed is ready. This one, it needs, yeah, 1 more bag of dirt. But really happy about this. We got some work to do now. We're gonna cover these walk paths with straw and also cover them on top. That way we will suppress some weeds, and also when we water our cucumber and other plants here, the straw will help it so the water doesn't evaporate that quick and will stay a little bit moist and yeah, not dry longer. Cover these ones as well. Now we know that you cover first and then plant is much easier, but yeah, this way works as well. You just need to be a little bit more careful. And there's several reasons why I do this. One of them is that, yeah, as I told you with the water, but another reason is that when you water here, it doesn't splash up on the leaf, the dirt, and it's less diseases then, and more likelihood that it will survive. Also, the vegetables is much cleaner when it lies on the hay instead of lying indirectly in the dirt. So that's, yeah, several reasons for doing this. So now it's much more easier. Make a hole, take your cucumber, put it down, put some earth on top, and cover it with hay. Sweet. Okay, so they're nice and planted. I'm gonna give it a little bit of watering, but after that I'm gonna let it be a little bit, and then we're gonna tie them up. They have a nice way to climb up and become yeah, strong and nice. I just want to thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate all the comments on Instagram and also here on Facebook, so keep those up. If you want to help me out, leave a like down below, share this video, and if you feel like it, hit that subscribe button as well. And hopefully they will like it here and start growing quick. And we can have some cucumbers and some pickled cucumbers and different kind of cucumbers recipe coming up soon as well. And guys, I wish you a great day.